I am Dr. Narendra Singh Chaudhary. I am Senior Consultant in Department of Hepatology at Medanta the Medicity Hospital, Gurugram. Today, I am going to discuss diet in liver disease. This is most common question we face in our OPD and IPDs. So there is no fixed diet, it depends on type of liver disease. For acute hepatitis, there is no restriction. In patients with chronic liver disease, when there is fluid in abdomen, generally we ask to restrict salt and we advise patient to take high protein diet. In patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease without significant liver damage, that is cirrhosis or advanced stage of cirrhosis, we ask for some reduction in calories and exercise because weight loss is important in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. They should take less calorie diet, a dietitian can help, and they should do exercise because weight loss is important in these patients. And these patients should avoid fructose or cold drinks or high fat diet. Drinks that contain sugar or fructose should be avoided in patients with liver disease. No amount of alcohol should be taken by patients with liver disease because in addition to their primary liver disease, it adds to insult in liver. Patients with liver disease can take normal amount of protein. It is common myth that patients with liver disease should not take high protein diet. That is not so. Protein is important to maintain muscle mass. In patients with cirrhosis, 1 gram per kilogram protein is recommended. In patients with decompensated cirrhosis, it is 1.5 gram per kilogram of body weight. Generally, patients with end-stage liver disease or advanced liver disease, we call decompensated cirrhosis in scientific terms, they are deficient in vitamins. So yes, vitamin supplementation is beneficial for them. In patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, vitamin E is beneficial. Once a patient is suffering from decompensated liver disease and fluid in abdomen, then salt should be low because it adds to fluid accumulation in abdomen or swelling of feet, that is called pedal edema. These patients should take 2 grams of salt every day and they should not consume items that are rich in salt or sodium like bakery items, biscuits, pickle, bhujia, papad, these things. Junk foods are not good at any stage of liver disease and should be avoided.